You know my mama always hoped one day I'd meet Oprah.
You know, American Idol, whenever I hear somebody singing really badly, I say to myself, you know, this person's biggest challenge in life isn't the fact that they can't sing. The person's biggest challenge is that they don't know any hard talkers. Because if you knew a hard talker and you said, hey friend, I'm going to go on American Idol, your hard talker would say, maybe not. Maybe that's not for you. Maybe you should practice a little more. Hit a karaoke bar first and try it out. You're not really ready for that. Hard talkers are the kind of people who will tell you the truth, whether you like it or not. But the truth is, with the hard talker, you enjoy it because they save you from making a fool out of yourself on American Idol. You know those friends? Okay. You know those friends who watch you do something stupid, and after you do the thing stupid, you come back to them and say, yo, I did something stupid. And they say, I know you did something stupid. I saw you doing it. You want to say that, yo, why didn't you talk to me hard before I did it? You know? Or people who are just in a pattern of making the same mistake over and over again. If they had hard talkers in their life, be like, no. Hard talk comes from a place that's, number one, we're going to be friends whether or not I'm nice to you. You know what I mean? We're going to be friends because we care about each other. And number two, hard talkers believe you could do better. Always. You could do better. Very important to have hard-talking friends, you know? Call it like it is. Someone's messing up, you say, yo, honestly, dude, I love you, but nah, you could do better.
You know my mama always hoped one day I'd meet Oprah.